Every chocolate bar begins with carefully cultivated cocoa grown in tropical climates. Fresh cocoa beans are removed by hand to preserve their quality before fermentation. Fermentation and drying develop the complex flavors that define fine chocolate. After careful preparation, the cocoa beans begin their journey to the chocolate factory. The factory begins every production cycle by carefully inspecting each shipment of cocoa beans. Multiple cleaning systems remove impurities before the beans enter food-grade processing. Advanced vision systems ensure only the highest quality cocoa beans move forward. Carefully controlled roasting unlocks the characteristic flavor of chocolate. Cracking and winnowing isolate the cocoa nibs that become the heart of chocolate.
The cocoa nibs are transformed into rich cocoa liquor, the foundation of every chocolate recipe.
Carefully measured ingredients are blended to create the chocolate's signature flavor and texture. Refining produces the smooth texture expected from premium chocolate. Conching enhances both the flavor and the velvety texture of the chocolate.
Tempering gives chocolate its glossy finish, crisp snap, and lasting stability.
Precision molding prepares every chocolate bar for its final shape and cooling. Controlled cooling allows the tempered chocolate to crystallize into its final structure. The solidified chocolate bars are released from their molds with remarkable precision. The conveyor automated finishing ensures every chocolate bar meets exact production standards. Advanced inspection technology verifies that every chocolate bar meets strict quality requirements. Each chocolate bar is carefully wrapped to protect its quality and prepare it for consumers. Automated cartoning prepares the chocolate for safe retail distribution. Every package receives complete identification for quality assurance and traceability. Retail cartons are organized into shipping cases for efficient handling. Completed shipping cases move toward robotic palletizing stations. Robotic palletizing prepares finished products for secure warehouse storage. Finished chocolate is carefully stored until customer orders are ready for dispatch. Each shipment is selected and verified before leaving the warehouse.
Pallet number 6. Check. Verified. Position looks good. Final entry recorded. Good to go.
Final verification guarantees product integrity throughout transportation. From the factory, the finished chocolate begins its journey to markets around the region. After a carefully controlled manufacturing process, the chocolate is ready to reach consumers. Distribution systems organize every shipment for efficient regional delivery. Every route is carefully prepared to ensure reliable product delivery. The final transportation stage connects the factory with local retailers. Retail receiving teams verify every shipment before stocking begins.
The manufacturing journey ends where customers discover the finished chocolate.
After an extensive manufacturing process, the finished product reaches consumers.
The factory-sealed chocolate remains protected as its journey continues from the retailer to the customer.
Efficient logistics connect modern factories with everyday life.
A precise manufacturing process creates the texture, appearance, and snap associated with premium chocolate.
Every detail of the finished chocolate reflects the precision of its manufacturing journey. Behind every chocolate bar is a factory operating with continuous precision. Continuous production ensures consistent quality in every batch.
Automation and skilled workers combine to deliver reliable production every day.
From tropical cocoa farms to consumers around the world, every chocolate bar tells the story of craftsmanship, technology, and precision manufacturing.